Okay, ready to start. Welcome everyone to the August 2016 Aushair seminar. This month we'll be looking at why to use a herbal treatment to regrow your hair. We have presented this topic a while back, but we thought we'd just go over it again with a slightly different angle this time. Tonight we'll be looking at number one, the effectiveness of herbal treatment. We'll also look at safety with this treatment, particularly long-term, and the fact that it is our treatment here at Aushair is a trusted brand. We've been here for many years. We've been doing this for a long time, and therefore, it is a good idea for people who are suffering with hair loss to consider this treatment. So let's first look at, I mentioned firstly the effectiveness of using the Aushair herbal treatment. So how is it effective? Why is it effective? Well, basically, as far as we're concerned, it's we give the fastest hair regrowth results available on the market. Usually we get improvement within about somewhere between 2 and 4 months of treatment. Which is quite quick, considering hair loss is usually a long-term treatment, but we can actually get improvements quite quickly in that short period of time. People that are actually losing hair, our treatments can actually control that hair fall within about 4 to 6 weeks. Also very good for dandruff. A lot of people suffering with hair loss conditions also experience dandruff. So our treatment usually clears that up within about 4 to 6 weeks, which is quite good. Also the herbal treatment improves your existing hair via that improved nutrition to the hair follicles. Another point I'd like to make is that back in January 2004, we started a 12-month study and completed a 12-month study where we used the Aushair products. Back then we were using the 101 products, so we today use the same products. We just relabeled, repackaged, and this was a 12-month study done, which the result was a 99% success rate using our treatments over this period of time. Actually, it was a 3-month period between Jan 2004 and January 2005. A similar study done with minoxidil and finasteride, which is the 2 major pharmaceutical treatments for hair loss, resulted in approximately 60% effectiveness for minoxidil here, and a 48% effectiveness also for finasteride. So here's the study that we did, and as you can see, 83% of people actually regrew some hair in that period of time, and a further 16.6% experienced no actual further hair loss in that time. So that's also considered a positive effect, because they didn't actually regress in that period of time. So that's how we get our figure of overall 99%. So the treatment's quite effective, as you can see, compared to the other products on the market. Also, regarding effectiveness, we have here at Aushair, we use a unique photo comparison system where we will initially do some magnified and digital and normal view digital images of your hair, and we will then follow that initial assessment up with further photo checks about every 2 to 4 months, depending on your program. And keep in mind that we photograph the exact same areas. So that's how we can, we start off with a reference point from our initial group of photos, and then we then recheck those same areas again 2 to 4 months later, and then ongoing, usually about every 4 months after that. So, as we believe, this is the physical evidence you need to see the change, to see the regrowth. And here are some of the photos that we've got just to show you. That's the normal view images there, and these are the magnified images. Okay, these are other more. These are just the magnified images that we use. So you got a photo there. What was it, June in 2014, and then as you can see here, we've got more hair regrowth about 3 months later, or nearly 4 months later. Sorry. So these are the type of images that you'll get if you come in and see us and decide to take on this treatment. Another good result here, just showing a front top view photo there. This is more of a digital photo view, and that's a side view photo using the digital photos, and that's a rear or back view photo. So as you can see, I've just quickly gone through some of these photos, but as you can see, there's some pretty good results there after just a few months of treatment, which is quite good. Let's move on now to point 2 about why to use a herbal treatment to regrow your hair. And the second point is safety. And I'd like everybody who's interested in having some hair regrowth treatments to consider a couple of things here. Firstly is short-term safety, and secondly, long-term safety. So, we've had feedback from our clients in terms of, like just using the pharmaceutical products just for a few days and ending up with, skin reactions and dermatitis on the fingers and hands. So that's something that can be something, very acute. It can happen in the short term, but, consider long term. Drugs like finasteride, long term, these can reduce sex drive and also cause depression and even decreased energy levels. We've had a lot of feedback from clients regarding those types of symptoms long term. With the Aushair herbal treatments, keep in mind we've had no major side effects reported in over 20 years that we've been operating. The solutions we use are 100% herbal. We use liquid tonics that are applied externally to the scalp, and herbal tablets that are taken internally. Another point with respect to treatment safety is that because there's no permanent cure for male or female pattern genetic hair loss, and because you will require long-term ongoing treatment to regrow and then maintain your hair, it's obviously better to use a treatment such as this herbal treatment that doesn't have the side effects. So it's a very safe treatment to use long-term. The third point I'd like to go through this evening is that we are a trusted brand. We've been around for a long time, 20 years, 20 plus, nearly 23 years now in Australia and 40 years internationally. Keep in mind, throughout the 40 years, we've had a lot of research and development and continually updating and upgrading the herbal formulas that we use, so continually improving them. And as far as we know, we're the biggest hair regrowth company in the world. We've got something like 2,600 clinics internationally. It was about 2,000 staff in total. The company's a big company. It's a worldwide international company. We've also got 13 international first place awards. We've received some of those in China, in the US, in Belgium, and in Malaysia as well. And I think in France as well, in Paris. I think we've got, that's right, in Austria, Geneva, Austria, and Paris, and so quite a few, 13 international awards there. So we've got a lot of credibility. Our treatments have been out there a long time, and they've got some very good feedback internationally. Another point on the trusted brand point is that we've had a number of exclusive media reviews here in Australia through the Financial Review, The Age, Herald Sun, and some of the local newspapers. So, we're not new. We've been around. We've been in the news many years ago. So we've got a history. We're still, we're 20 years plus. We're still going strong. So this is a trusted brand. We do get results, and we've got a lot of experience with using this product, and then being able to recommend, things like, time frames time periods that you'll actually have to use the products before you get your result, which is very, very useful information to know for people that want to know, Okay, I'm losing my hair. How long do I need to use the treatment before it's going to work for me? So we can actually confidently provide that information because of our many years of experience. So that's all I wanted to go through tonight regarding why to use a herbal treatment for your hair loss issues. We're having a special offer in September for people that want to come in and use our assessment services, where we're offering 10% off our initial consultation, which is usually $55. So if you're interested, just give us a call and mention the promo code, which is Aushair. Just say I watched your seminar. I'd like to take advantage of the offer. That's 10% off this month. The coming month in September, we'll give you 10% off your first visit with us. For those of you who just want to get a bit more information, please feel free to go to our website. There it is at the bottom, aushair.com.au, and we hope you'll get a lot of good information and testimonials on that website. That's all we've got time for this evening. Once again, thanks for your time, and we'll be back next month with some more information for you.